Hello guys, today I'll show you how to install this Dinantronics Sport. I got this for 100 bucks on Facebook Marketplace, so I can check it out and try it out. In the summer here, the AC robs a lot of power from this 4-cylinder, so it's not very, zippy when the AC is on, and that's mostly the problem why I wanted to get something like this to give it maybe like 5-10 more horsepower or whatever, just to alleviate that problem of the AC. Anyways, if it doesn't work out, it's gonna be an easy sell again. But nonetheless, so I printed out the instructions here, and they show you a couple pictures, but one of the instructions is a little concerning, which I did not pay attention for before looking into this stuff, is that here it's saying you have to have Bluetooth version 4.0. So that's really old devices. I think most of them now are beyond that 4.0, 4.2 and higher, I think. So I don't know if you don't have 4.0, version 4.0, what is happening? Is it gonna work? Is it not gonna work? Hopefully it'll still work. I just, it would have said, like the wording would have said, your device must be equipped with a minimum of version 4.0 instead of specifically saying 4.0. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. So the first entry point, or the first connection point, is at the intake, which is this guy right here. This guy right here. And then the second one is going to be that guy in the middle right there, based on their diagram. And this is a B48. It's the same on B58 apparently. Their instructions are a B58. When I emailed them, they said it's the same thing. They don't have instructions for the 4-cylinder, but I guess it is the same thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this guy. So I think this is take this to the back. And the problem is the car is hot. The engine bay is very, very, very hot. Just got back. Maybe it goes back some further. I am doing this for the first time, so bear with me. Let's see. Okay. It's not really moving. And it's just so hot, I can't put my hands anywhere. It's insane. I think it probably comes out a little further than this. Let's see. Okay, so I just needed a little bit of a persuasion for it to come out. But anyways, it's this guy here, and just need to focus. You see it matches the smaller one, because one of them is wide and one of them is smaller, and this here matches the thing over there. This one is a lot smaller because their diagram, like they put a big circle, right, and they tell you it's like a pressure sensor or whatever. Okay, I don't know which is pressure sensor. In this picture here, there are two of them. Both are in the same picture, and even here. But this, I think they went after this guy. So anyways, so now in theory this should hook up here, right? This should go here, like so, and then you press this and lock it. And now you take this guy and hook it up with this one, right? So if you look at the binding part, it's going to be, I think it's going to be, it's a little annoying walking with one hand, but it should be like this, I think. So let's, that, and then we'll do the second one, and I'll show you how to do it again. So let's put this guy here, and it's the same principle. So basically you're gonna have to first pop this one like this, and then when you undoing the plug, you're gonna have to push with the screwdriver from here. So I don't think this is a one hand. Yeah, I'll try with both hands. Okay, so that came off relatively easy. And now we have to put these guys in. So this goes over there, and then this will go through that guy. So let me see if I can put this guy here. Let's see. I should be able to. Already pushed in. Okay, so that's really what you get. These here and this guy. So we already hooked these up. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the ignition. There's a light here. So bearing in mind this is a used one, so I think it saves whatever mode it was in, so maybe it was in race mode. But alrighty, so yeah, the video cut off because the phone got too hot in here in the garage. It shut off. Anyways, we need the app so we can put it back in. I'm planning to just try the sport mode. Let's see how that goes. It's got Sport Plus. So anyways, having the app is convenient. Yeah, let's check it out. It's called the Dinan. You'll find it in the Apple Store. So after connecting and whatnot, I realized I was using the wrong app. There are two apps if you need to search for Dinan or Dinan, whatever. There's like the Dinan Performance, I think, or Dinantronics, and then there's the other one, Dinan Sport. So you want the one with the S. So as I took a screen recording of the app in action, the boost monitor supposedly is for monitoring the boost, but doesn't seem to correspond with the boost that the app shows initially. So I don't really know. We'll have to, I'm gonna try it out and see how this works. If I notice anything. If not, then I'll just sell it again. Anyways, hope you find this video helpful, and catch you in the next one. Take care. See ya. Bye-bye.